As a Jamaican that has been living in the US for over 10 years, I know it can be rough in Jamaica. But guys, we have enemies. And I can tell you, we do. There's no way a shipping container should be coming on the shores of Hellshire Beach and we're opening it and eating that food. That's ridiculous behavior. You are acting as if you don't know that there's never smoke without fire. Like, what? What are you doing? I know you guys over there in Portmore are strong, you know, because you can't be with all of them mosquito and alligators and all these things. But when you guys start turning into zombies or you get outbreak with something, like, you're going to put everybody else at risk just because you love your belly? Furthermore, it's not that rough in Jamaica. You can plant and grow your own food, and it's just not that rough. I have it rougher than you do, okay? I will let you know. I have it rougher than you, so there's no need for you to be opening shipping containers of food and eating that. Like, that's disgusting. That's gross. Like, I'm so upset. You are playing into the enemy's hands. There's no record of that shipping container. No one has deemed it lost. Like, why are you eating food that was... Let me tell you, they even do that here in the US. They leave containers into neighborhoods that they want to disrupt or take out or do experiments on. Like, I understand that some people just have that desperate mentality, and a lot of people just don't think before they make stupid actions. There's no reason why a shipping container should come on your shores and you should open that and take that food out. If you did not see the ship drop it and it was like an accident or an incident, you should not even open that. It's just saying that you are easily psyopsed and they can easily use you to hurt everybody else because we're only 2.5 million people. Like, what are we doing? You gotta think. You gotta be wise. You gotta be smart. Don't eat their goddamn experiment. Let me tell you, Jamaican people have high vibrations. Look how much good things come out of our country. As poor as they want us to be, we are rich. What we should be talking about and thinking about is, where is the oil that they discovered just the other day? And what about that gold that was discovered and they were mining? We need to be foraging our own land and finding the treasures. You local people need to be archaeologists in your own country. That's what you need to be doing. You need to go forage the land, be out there in the forest, go in the cockpit country and see what the hell is going on out there and see what the hell is going on inside the land and find the resources and mine them yourselves and plant food and buy land and plant food and build farms and build factories and make shit. That's what you need to be doing. You don't need to be taking no goddamn psyops food from these people because that was planted there. There's no way that one day before nobody saw this on the shore and then all of a sudden it's on the shore. Come on now. What are we, 5 years old? Didn't Andrew and Trump had a lot of disagreement about something and then all of a sudden things are showing up on our shores? Let me tell you, we Jamaicans, we have it. We have it all. We just don't see it and we don't know it because we're stuck in our own little inner city communities, worried about stress and struggle and all these things instead of going out there into the fucking land that is ours and finding the resources and using them to build wealth for ourselves. And before we do that, we let white people come to our country and do that without our consent, buying up and stealing up our land and our resources. Like, stop doing this shit. Don't let them psyops you. Furthermore, you're right there on the beach. You're telling me that you guys can't go, like a group of people can't come together and catch fish, dry fish, package and sell dried fish, dried salmon. smoked dried salmon. Do something. Like, why are we eating out of shipping containers we don't know where it come from? Like, what are we doing? It's 2025. If you don't realize that the enemy is upon us, the devil is not in hell. That is his prison. He's on the earth raging and creating dismay and disruption and disaster into the freaking nations of the world. Like, what are you doing? Jamaica, you're better than this. Hellshire Beach specifically, Portmore people, you're better than this. It's a disgrace. And that's all I